Do you have eggs at home? Then make this recipe. We start by boiling 6 eggs. Then remove them from the water and let them cool. Now in a bowl, let's add 2 eggs. Crack the eggs and, before whisking, tell me, do you also think eggs are one of the most versatile ingredients in the kitchen? Next, add salt to taste, oregano to taste, and black pepper to taste. These seasonings will give it that special touch without overpowering the main flavor. Set this mixture aside. Now let's prepare another bowl. Add breadcrumbs to taste, and grate some Parmesan cheese on top. Mix well. And honestly, is there a more perfect combination than cheese with a crispy coating? The Parmesan also helps create a wonderful golden layer after frying. Is your mouth watering yet? Now it's time for the fun part, breading the eggs. Take a boiled egg and coat it first in all-purpose flour. This step helps everything stick better, so don't skip it, okay? Next, dip the egg into the beaten egg mixture. Then transfer it to the bowl with the breadcrumbs and Parmesan, coating all sides well. Press lightly to form a beautiful crust. Now tell me, do you prefer a thinner crust or one that's extra thick and crispy? If you're on Team Maximum Crunch, be generous with that layer. Repeat the process with all the eggs, one by one. It may seem a bit time-consuming, but it's almost therapeutic, and the result is worth every second. With everything breaded, it's time for the best part, frying. Heat a pot with oil, and once it's very hot, add the eggs gradually. Don't overcrowd the pot, alright? This way, they fry evenly. Turn them gently to brown all sides. Watch that color getting more and more beautiful. This is the moment hunger really kicks in. Once they are nicely golden, remove them and let them drain on paper towels. This helps remove excess oil and keeps the crust nice and crisp. Repeat the process with the remaining eggs. And now the big moment. Our breaded eggs are ready. Let's cut one in half. Just look at that result. On the outside, a golden, crispy crust. On the inside, a soft, perfectly cooked egg. Tell me, would you serve this as a snack, a side dish, or even enjoy it as a main course?